Torrential rains have completely washed away a vital bridge in Ramhari Para under Dayaram Para VC within the Golaghati Assembly constituency, cutting off the village's sole transport link to markets, schools and healthcare.
The collapse also severely damaged an adjacent house belonging to a local resident, Shamal Debarma. Speaking to the media, Shamal Debarma revealed that half of his home was destroyed when the structure gave away. Shamal Debarma stated that he had repeatedly alerted local representatives about the deteriorating condition of the bridge prior to the heavy rains. However, no preventive action was taken, ultimately leading to the collapse and the destruction of his property.
Acha ano mongke beparan kha mo thanai goto bosoro paisa platun kha apru bridge bars bai thamai kya apru motamoti yang ha kwak jak apru ek side ke boulder kha ani ke lelia aprang saka bare bare dara oro je kormokota neta rokime rang saka or yang riang himeru ga apru bani haude kakha ge abon pore kha ani lama ku osidan kha foot bridge bai thangka ni na steel bridge gam pore ke Chini emne sarjong thainai borok repair khai ke taklai ge morap nang himtong ka mate se kenai ge sigang watio waisa thangka kwa kha niani watio ke marngi tau ke ang himlong lama krei bridge bo hanging tongkha ge yang ani ganti thangka kwa gei pura wall thangka tabang thuman nok ko thangnai tongo ge ta ni wak nok wak sa phani ki jang than phani tongmani tinta room abo kwa kha emon osida tang tin thuimia anok ni ko mani khni beng sori ma tong thang
Nini tam khoti inka ba tam thangka bisiba
ani thangka bolte besirba ani wak nok tangmani ar prai 2 lakh ari lang moton thangka engke ani tabu wal tangmani a wal bo thangka gortai ani letin tong pura a wal ba atas khaja abo beng kwak ba kya tawani yang tai 3 meter gong sinang tuman no bo thana position no mohya songkang to
bu puru kwa khabo
mohai kwak mo bolte ke o 2 din 3 din bisingo no mo hengo
Vehicular and pedestrian movement remains entirely paralyzed, leaving the local population completely isolated. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.